genetic research that highlights the origins of empathy, compassion, and fairness as essential components of our moral framework. One example of a moral principle that evolves with age is the concept of fairness. Young children often equate fairness with strict equality. Everyone gets the same amount, regardless of circumstances. However, as they mature, their understanding of fairness becomes more nuanced. They begin to recognize that fairness can diverge from equality. For instance, one person may deserve more due to their hard work or need, or another may have been unfairly disadvantaged in the past. This development illustrates a fascinating interplay between innate capacities, cultural learning, and the individual exercise of reason. As adults, our intuitions about fairness can still vary widely, highlighting the complexity of moral reasoning. Paul Bloom, a prominent psychologist at Yale University, has conducted significant research into moral development. His work suggests that children are born with a rudimentary understanding of right and wrong. In his studies, Bloom found that even infants show preferences for helpful behavior over harmful behavior. For example, when presented with a scenario involving a puppet that helps another puppet versus one that hinders, babies as young as 6 months showed a clear preference for the helpful puppet. This indicates an inherent capacity for moral judgment, challenging the idea that moral understanding is solely cultivated through religious teaching. Further reinforcing Bloom's findings, genetic studies have explored the biological underpinnings of empathy and moral behavior. Research has demonstrated that certain genes, such as the AVPR1A gene, play a role in promoting prosocial behaviors, including empathy and compassion. Individuals with variations in this gene may exhibit different levels of altruism and social cooperation, suggesting that our genetic makeup influences our moral inclinations. Recent research from Japan has provided intriguing insights into the origins of morality, particularly highlighting the moral capabilities of pre-verbal infants. In this groundbreaking study, researchers sought to understand whether infants could recognize and respond to antisocial behavior, which is a fundamental aspect of moral reasoning. The study involved observing infants as they witnessed various scenarios that depicted social interactions between characters. In one experiment, infants watched a video in which a character engaged in aggressive